Good morning class 2. Welcome to your GK class children. So now we will do chapter 48 of your book. Okay. So chapter 48 and page number is 7171. Okay. So let us see. Open your book at page number 7171. And we will do this chapter today about religion. Okay. So India is a land where we can see people following different religion, isn't it? So let us learn something more about this. Okay, take a pencil in your hand and let us begin. Number 1, fill in. What we have to do is, first one you can see the picture of Gautama Buddha, right? Now what do we have to do is, this is a statue of Gautama Buddha. This is a statue of Gautama Buddha. Okay, now dash worship the Buddha. So the people of which religion follows worship Buddha? People of which religion? You have to write the name and you will get the clues here also. Here, okay, all the name of the religions are given here. Okay, not only all the religions, all the answers are given here. From here you have to find out the answer. Okay, so these are the options given. So first one is, this is a statue of Gautama Buddha dash worship the Buddha. Who worship the Buddha? Buddhist. So you will write here Buddhist. You will write here Buddhist and the option you will find here. Okay, Buddhist. Buddhist you will write here. I will send the picture also, don't worry. Buddhist. 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 So first one will be Buddhist. This is the statue of Gautama Buddha. Buddhist worship in the worship the Buddha. So the question may come dash worship the Buddha. Who worship Buddha? There you have to write Buddhist. So you have to learn the spelling also. Buddhist. Buddhist. Okay. Number 2, also you can see the picture, the statue of a Tirthankara. You can see the picture of a Tirthankara. Okay. Now what is the question? Let me see. This is a statue of Tirthankara dash worship Tirthankaras. Now which category of people, which section of people worship Tirthankaras? These are the Jains. Okay, Jains, Jains. Jains. Here you will find Jains. So here you will write Jains worship Tirthankara. So Jains, Jains. Okay, this is a religion. Now number 3. Now you see, this is a synagogue. Okay, this is a synagogue. Jews prays here. So this is a blank. So from the option you will find out the answer. It is called synagogue. Okay, Jews pray here. The people who follow the religion Jews. Okay, those people who are Jews, they go there. This is a kind of place where do they go for prayer. Okay, so this is a synagogue. Jews pray here. Okay, Jews pray here. So what is the spelling? Learn the spelling. Synagogue. Synagogue. Okay, so this is a synagogue. So the Jews people pray here. Now next one also you can see a temple. So here the Parsis pray. The Parsis people, the Parsis, they go to pray here. So what do we call this? What do they call the place of their worship? They call it fire temple. So this is a fire temple. This is a fire temple. From here we have find out, and now we have written here. So where do the Parsis go to pray? Fire temple. Okay, clear? Next one is number 5. You can see it is very famous. This is dash in Delhi. This is in Delhi. It is a Baha'i house of worship. People of all religion can pray there. This is a Baha'i house of worship, but people of all religion can go and pray there. So this is a beautiful temple. It is called Lotus Temple. It is called Lotus Temple. Lotus. Lotus Temple. Temple. Lotus Temple. So it is given here. See, Lotus Temple. Okay, so here you will write Lotus Temple. Where it is located? Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. Okay. So these are the 5 places that we have learned about in this chapter. Okay, the Buddhists, they pray Gautama Buddha and they go to so the Buddhists, they worship Lord Buddha. Okay, it's about this, number 1. Number 2, Jains worship Tirthankaras, and this is a synagogue. Synagogue means is a place where Jews pray, and fire temple is a place where Parsis pray, and Lotus Temple is a place in Delhi. It is a Baha'is house of worship, but people of any religion can go there and worship. Okay, so it is a beautiful place. Thank you and have a nice day. All this you will find in the Telegram. I'll send the picture. I'll click the picture and send for you. Okay, so don't worry for that. Okay, so I may give you some drawing which may come in the exam. I may ask you to draw something through Telegram. So please check the Telegram. Okay, check the Telegram. If I give something for drawing, so you have to practice it at home so that you can do it correctly in the exam. Okay, and these symbols also you go through the symbols properly. Okay, this way we have finished the chapter syllabus. Okay, extra question, you have to go through the extra questions and all. Clear? And chapter 49 is also done. 48 is also done. Whatever is done, you will do. And say this chapter 45, I don't think it is there and it is of no use. So because in the exam, you can, from exam purpose, it cannot be given. So I have not done this one. Okay then. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me through Telegram. No worry. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.